if I didn't find you guys, I figured my wife and I would live in that motorhome the rest of our life. And next year will be our 60th anniversary, and this is sort of cool. Thursday, Christine called, says we'll have 22 to 25 people out there on Saturday to start stripping the house. The whole house was stripped down. The roof, all the walls, the ceiling, and they had it hauled it through the doors and filled up a dumpster, and they filled it up and then they had to put it on the ground. But they were all done and completed, the floor swept by 3:30 that afternoon. I've been blessed. I never felt like this. I never experienced anything like this, but I know I've been blessed. I mean, your organization, everybody's nice. Everybody that comes out here are very, very polite, and you do what you say, and that's important because I'm getting a new house. That's the way to look at it.
Yes, sir.
And I can't thank you folks enough. I just cannot thank you folks enough. I don't know. I just cannot thank you folks enough. Unless you live through it, you don't know what it's like. And I know there's more people like this. And like I say, I was blessed when I called. I talked to Christine, and it just went on from there. And I'll tell you, I'm still surprised. I come in here a lot and I sit and watch them work, and I don't know what else to say. It's just, I've been blessed, and this is all from God.
Absolutely.
I don't know how else to say it. All I can do is say thank you. Thank you from the bottom of my heart.
Well, you're very, very welcome, and we are honored to be a part of your story. It's pretty amazing for us as well.
Well, I was dead in the water, and God was watching after me. I know that. I know there's a God, and somehow we came together. And it's just something else. I don't know.
I'm like, I have to hug you. Right?